Hello everyone, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys all you need to know about Selar affiliate marketing from the start to the very end. So without wasting much more time, let's get right into it. So first things first, what is the main aim of Selar? Selar is actually a platform, or you can say an e-commerce platform, basically created for the purpose of selling items. It could be tickets, it could be digital products, or even ebooks. Whatever products you want to sell online with the use of Selar, you can actually do that easily. So basically, Selar affiliate marketing involves you helping sellers on the Selar network to showcase their product to a variety of customers around the world. So basically, you copy an affiliate link, showcase the item or the product with the affiliate link, and then immediately a customer clicks on that link and purchases the item. You get an affiliate commission based on this product. For example, if you're actually showcasing an item worth around 50,000 naira and the affiliate commission is about 20% or 10%, you basically get that 10% from the money the person actually used in buying the item. So that's basically the idea of Selar affiliate marketing. So now there are two major things involved in getting started. You can actually create your own Selar account, or you can just go direct to starting as an affiliate marketer. But basically, I would advise you all to actually create your own main Selar account, and all you want to do to get started is go to the site selar.co, and then you're gonna see your start selling with Selar icon over here. So you basically just want to click on this and then create an account with Selar. Or if you don't want to sell any products, or you're not interested in having a major Selar account, you can just go direct to the site affiliate.selar.co. okay, and then immediately go to affiliate.selar.co. you basically get started with the main affiliate aim. But like I said right from the start of the video, I'm going to be showing you guys a complete tutorial about the Selar marketing. So basically, to create an account with Selar, you want to go to selar.co, and then you want to click on start selling over here, and then you basically just want to input your username, email address, full name, and password. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys just a quick example. I'm just going to say keep cash, and then email address. I'm going to input this, my email address, and then your full name, and then immediately after that you're being brought to this page. You need to make payment to continue. So if you're ready for the affiliate itself, you basically just want to come down over here to where you have affiliate network. Okay, so you need to pay a sum of 2,000 naira per year, and then all you want to do is to click on get started. And if you're not ready for the affiliate, you basically just want to sell your product or your service. Probably you're doing a data survey. You just want to click on this icon over here, and then you want to go to dashboard. Okay, so immediately you go to your dashboard. As you can see, you have set up bank details, okay, and you have add product. So the first thing you want to do is to set up your bank details, okay, depending on your bank or the country you are. So you basically just want to input your bank. As for me, I'm in Nigeria, so basically I'm going to go for Nigeria, and then I'm going to input my bank, okay, and then fill all important informations concerning your bank details. And then immediately after filling in your bank details, you're being brought back to the dashboard, and then now you can click on add product. Okay, and then you basically just want to click on whichever product you like to sell on Selar. Okay, you have physical product over here. Sell any kind of physical product, from clothing to books to electronics, appliances, and more. Digital products, tickets, subscriptions, services, costs, and lots more over here. Okay, so basically all you want to do, let's say I want to sell my or render services. Okay, so I can just come over here. For example, those of you that are good in graphic design or photo editing and stuff, you can basically just come to service over here, and then you want to click on next. And from here, this is basically where you want to fill in all the details about the products or about your services itself. Okay, so if you have an image that you like to share over here, you can basically just click on this icon, and then you can just select a random image. Okay, and then you want to come over here to name of product. It's a service, so I can just say graphic designing or graphic design services, or you can put your name, Keep Cash Graphic Design Services, or whatever your name is, graphic design services, or whichever idea you just like to put. And then you want to input the starting price. Okay, so I can just say for a start, I can just say 2,000, and then you have show strike out original price. Okay, this is basically, maybe you want to just input a price, and then you want to make it look like you reduce the price. For example, if I click on this, okay, I can then say the original price can be 5,000. So on my, on my main page, it's going to show 5,000, but then striked out, and then it's going to show 2,000. Like I actually dropped the price. Okay. So the next thing you want to do over here is to just input a description about the service itself. Okay. So you can actually go to ChatGPT. If you guys are not familiar with ChatGPT, you basically just want to go to chat.openai.com. Okay, what you want to do when it comes to ChatGPT is to basically ask ChatGPT to give you a quick or brief description about a graphic design service. For example, give me a graphic design service, brief description. Okay, and then ChatGPT is basically going to give you a quick one, and then all you want to do is to copy this and then just edit it based on your own graphic design knowledge. Okay, so I can basically just copy this. Okay, Control C, and then come back over here and then Control V. Like I said, you want to read this through. Okay, this is just an example I'm showing you guys. Okay, so you basically want to read it through and ensure your description is very, very catchy in such a way that no matter the person actually seeing it, the person will actually be interested in the product or the service. Okay, and then the next thing over here, you have seller discovery, categorize your product. Okay, so you basically just want to categorize your service or your product itself. So this is graphic design in itself. So you basically just want to look for something related, content and media or others. Okay, but let's just go for content and media. Okay, and then subcategory. Okay, you can see graphic design over here, so I can just go for graphic design. Okay, this all depends on the product or the service you're rendering. Okay, and then product variations. Do you have variations of your product? They probably different colors or different packages. For example, it's a graphic design service, so it's basically going to have a variation, for starter pack, for different categories like that. Or your service also involves these variations. You basically want to click on this, and then you want to add the variant itself. Okay, but I'm just going to unclick this for now. Okay, and then all you want to do next is to click on your product type. Again, you already clicked on this from the very start. This is a service. And then store categories filter, you can actually just ignore this. And then we have automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after purchase. Okay, so immediately someone purchases this item, what do you want to happen, or what do you want the person to see? Okay, as for graphic design services, we have so many things you can actually do concerning this. You can actually have WhatsApp, WhatsApp group page, or WhatsApp a business page, or even Facebook business page, and all those things. So if immediately the person actually buys this item, you can actually impute a URL that will direct the person to that social media platform. Okay, for example, I can just click on this, automatically redirect the buyer to an external page. Okay, and then I can just go to my Facebook, okay, my main Facebook business page, and then copy it and then paste it over here. So immediately the person buys it, the person will be redirected to a private business chat with me. Okay, so it depends on you, the different ways you can actually link your customer to you directly. Okay, it could be through WhatsApp. You just want to input a private chat or private WhatsApp number, so immediately the person actually buys it, the person has a direct contact to you. Okay, and then immediately after that, you basically want to click on create products. Okay, your product is ready. That's it. That's basically all you need to do. But like I said, this is just an example I am showing you guys. Okay, I'm just showing you guys how you can actually do it. Do not just make it so plain like this. You need to write a very good, you need to construct a very good description, you need to put a very nice picture about the product and all those things. It's very, very important. Okay, so immediately after you've created your product, seller is going to give you a link to the product itself. Okay, so if you haven't paid for the affiliate network, you wouldn't really have an access to actually see your product on the affiliate network itself. So that's why it's very, very good for you to actually pay this 2,000 naira per year, so you can actually have a direct link to the affiliate marketplace. Okay, so this is the link you want to share around, or probably to your social media platforms, or you want to give to a promoter for you to actually showcase people, to actually showcase your product to people, so they can actually buy it through them, or get your services through them. Okay, so if you're ready to actually start the affiliate marketing itself, all you want to do is to go to the site affiliate.selar.co, and then you want to pay the sum of 2,000 naira per year. Okay, so I already have mine paid already, so I'm just going to switch into my main account for you guys to see. Okay, so I'm just going to log into my main account for you guys to see how it looks like. Okay, Okay guys, as you can see, I'm already inside the affiliate network itself. All you want to do after you've made this payment, this is basically how it's going to look like. You just want to go to dashboard, okay, and then like I said, seller is going to send you a link to the affiliate network itself. This is basically the link over here, okay. Here's the link to the affiliate network. You're going to be given access to this link in your email, okay. So immediately you click on this link, you're going to be taken to the main affiliate network page. Okay, as you can see, I am in the site where we have variety of products. Okay, so basically all you want to do right now is to look for, trending products or product that people around you would be interested in. Okay, like me, what I do is to create a WhatsApp group page, and then I add variety of people that I know will be interested in certain product into the group. If it's about cooking, I add people that are interested in cooking, majority of females, and people I know that would definitely be interested in that product into the group. And then immediately a new product comes out, I basically paste it in the group and tell them about the product until they actually buy the product, and then I make my own affiliate commission from the product. Okay, so all you want to do immediately you've gotten this access to this seller affiliate network, all you want to do is to click on the product you're interested in. Okay, let's go for the soup or star cookbook. Okay, and then all you want to do is to click on get affiliate link over here. You can actually read about the product itself. Okay, you see view details over here. You just want to click on this link, and then you're going to be taken to the product itself where you can read the description and other things, so you know that this product I'm about to share with others is actually very nice. Okay, before you actually just sell it, you don't just want to sell anyhow product. You want to sell something that that people would actually love. Okay, so now immediately you're ready to actually share this link to make your own commission. All you want to do is to click on get affiliate link, get link, and then you'll be given the link. So this is basically your own link for the product. So immediately someone buys a product through this your link over here, you're gonna be giving 50% of the money. Okay, so basically the product is 50,000, so 50% of 50,000, which is 25,000, that's actually how much you're going to be earning in your own bank account. So guys, you can see seller affiliate marketing is actually very good way of actually earning a lot of money. Okay, so now one more thing before we end this video is how can you actually get people to click on your link? How can you actually get a lot of sales, a lot of affiliate commissions, okay, through this product? Number one is through social media. It's very important. When I mean social media, I mean you creating probably a WhatsApp group or WhatsApp business page or Facebook group, name it, whichever social media platform. So you basically want to add people that are interested in that product that it could be your friends, it could be people in your school, wherever people that that are actually interested in such products, and then you want to just share with them that look at this product I saw, you actually be interested in it and all those things, to try to convince them. Okay, that's very important and nice for them to have the product. Okay, so immediately they buy it through your link, you actually make your money. So that is number one way. And the number two most effective way of actually getting sales through your link is going to be through the use of promoters. Okay, so you basically want to go to Instagram or Facebook and then find people that are actually famous, people with a lot of fans, or people that actually do promotion, and then you want to tell them to help you promote the link through a very nice description. Okay, so immediately someone buys through that your link, like I said, you actually make a commission. So even though you have to make payment to the promoter, the amount of money you're going to be making from this person promoting it is actually going to be a lot more than the amount you actually used for the promoter. And another most effective way you can actually make sales through your link is by creating a course. Okay, I know this sounds a lot more robust, okay, but it involves you teaching people about something, probably for free for start, and then you basically want to share your product and sell it after the class or after the lectures, that you can actually use this product to learn much more about that service you actually showed them, or about the teaching you actually taught them. Okay, so these are basically the three most effective methods I personally make use of. Okay, so guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely learned a lot from this seller affiliate marketing and you're ready to actually get started, make sure to drop a comment, and also make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't still subscribed, make sure to do subscribe, because I am sure you've actually learned a lot from today's video. And yeah, if you have questions to ask, drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to respond to it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.